Here we go!
There was a step there.
Let's do it again. Here we go! Woo! Where are we going, Joy?
I don't know. You're the trail leader.
I have a selfie stick. This is what I've been reduced to. And I'm using the little tiny mirror and I can hardly see what's happening in it, but I can see the two outlines of our bodies. I hope it's correct. But we were on the, Miller?
Paul H. Douglas Miller Woods Trail.
The Paul H. Douglas Miller Woods Trail with the prairie part that we're gonna do too. So it's like 3.5 miles. We are not fully weighted, but we are weighted. And I will tell you right now, it is a lot harder to walk on sand than it is to walk on the dirt in the mountains. So what we lack in weight, we make up for in tough terrain. The prairie might be a different one. I will.
Hey, look.
There's the puddle. Yep. Said puddle. That's okay. This isn't a roundabout. Oh wow. We aren't getting out of this puddle. It goes on for days.
Maybe we could take the.
We can go back up and just walk down.
Yeah.
Gosh darn it. Alright, I'll call you back when we get around this madness. This is the part where Joy's like, I thought you said you were going to leave the cameras behind for today. Joke's on you!
Miss this marshland. I know this marshland is just flooded there.
It looks like swamp.
It looks pretty wet. We can just call it wetlands. It's definitely wet.
I learned yesterday that swamp is water overtaking land, and bog is land overtaking water. Did I say that right?
Yes.
Listen to Spark Cookie. We are in the Black Oak Savannah. Savannah, oh na na.
Which way do we go?
Right. Take the hill or nah. The only reason we're not taking the hill is because the hill takes us back to where we just came from.
So glad you're here, Brandon.
I got you. So, nice little billboard to show us that staying on the trail is very important, and it protects the beautiful scenery and the fact that we can actually go out and do these things by following simple rules. So this is a picture of people straying off the trail. This is what it currently looks like, all these extra little nasties, and this is what it'll look like if we all do our part and stick to where we're supposed to be and preserve this beautiful place for many more years. Joy is awesome! Woo! I'd like to point out I wore sandals and the hot sand is getting into them and burning my toes. Trail probs. Just gotta shake it out. I wore these shoes so I could do just that, but I didn't really think about the heat and all that getting into them, so burning. And this is how you get a private beach. Here she goes. First, jerky.
It's greasy.
You gotta bite it, girl.
Sounds really good.
I'm not just saying that because you're on camera and I'm making you uncomfortable.
It's not like, it's not as like fried as I thought it would be. It actually tastes like actual food.
Actual food! Heard it here first, folks. Lake Michigan.
Teriyaki is really good.
Teriyaki's my favorite.
Yeah, trail food for days.
Where we're at. Our packs. We just wandered out and we're going to eat lunch.